We feel very happy, and we are joined as a group, and we all on behalf of company we feel happy and say our hard work had got its fruit. CADC Vishwakarma Awards has value, we believe, because they come to the site, they come to our office, they ask tough, very difficult questions. There's a huge brainstorming. They ask everything is inspected carefully. And it's something which is verified carefully and examined and given awards. So it has value. And one more thing, every time whenever CIDC personnel, CIDC executives come to our office, we learn something they teach us. They do find out defects in that and say that this is not right. So next time when they come, first time they have come 2017 they have visited first time CID has visited our office and our sites. Though they were satisfied, they have raised some few questions to our company. Different, what is the future of your company? Different tough questions they have raised out, which we have not really thought. As a company which is started by a founder, you always have people less, to be frankly, a small company has people less knowledgeable than the founder generally. In large companies, you have very experienced people, so you get knowledge. So it's way to get people talking with you, having more knowledge than you, telling you some new things that you really implement in your company. So in 2017 they have come, they have given some advices. So we have implemented, and after 2017 we have done a lot of changes in the company. Again, recently 2020 also they have checked and verified. While going, they have suggested some questions also, like some questions they raised us, and also they suggested some few implementations. It would be better if we do this, or they were like, so these such situations we are working on it. We are working on how to, this time when they come, they have asked us little questions regarding policy matters, which we think that to become a large company, we need to be more focused on policy matters and take it more seriously. So next time in 2021 we will implement policy matters strictly. Regarding HR policy, they have raised questions. That really improved us. We're working on it. So every time CIDC comes, we're learning something. So this is bringing discipline to our company and letting us grow as an individual and an organization.